to move taskbar to top, left, right in the windows. So let's get started. Firstly, by default, your taskbar will be aligned to the center of the bottom of your screen. To change the alignment, right-click the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings from the options. This will open the Settings Personalization taskbar window. Scroll down the page until you see Taskbar Behaviors. You may need to click the arrow to the right to expand the list and see the options. Under Taskbar Behaviors, you will see the settings for taskbar alignment. This will display your current alignment settings. Selecting the arrow to the right will show you both alignment options, which are left and center. Select the alignment option you want. When you select either left or center, the taskbar alignment at the bottom of the screen will change immediately. You can then close the settings window without saving.
So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.